Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful hat using honeycomb stitch. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This hat looks so cute and beautiful, and the stitch used to do this hat is honeycomb stitch. To do this stitch, we want to know the basic stitch like slip knot, chain, single crochet together and slip stitch. It is very easy to do. To do this hat, first we will make a rectangle shape and then we will fold them to form this beautiful hat. So if you see, the height of the hat comes around 9 inches and the circumference comes around 17 inches. So now let's see how to do this cute little hat using honeycomb stitch. Start at slip knot. To do this stitch, the foundation chain should be any number of odd number. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do any odd number chain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook 1, 2. You are going to do a single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next it's single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. At the end of this round you will be having 20 single crochet stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. You're going to do single crochet in each stitch by taking both the loops. So next it's single crochet, next it's single crochet. Likewise, you'll be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. At the end of this round, you will be having 20 single crochet stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Next round, do chain 1, turn your work. First stitch, you are going to do a single crochet. Next stitch, you are going to do elongated single crochet. That is, we will insert it, the second stitch, come down and insert it here. This is elongated single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, elongated single crochet. So we will come 2 rows below. So this stitch, 1, 2, and do this elongated single crochet. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing single crochet in the first stitch and elongated single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch, elongated single crochet next stitch. So this stitch, come 2 rows below and do the elongated single crochet. So it looks like this. You have to follow this till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. We started with a single crochet, so we should end them with this elongated single crochet. After completing the row, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work, do single crochet in the first stitch. Next, you are going to do single crochet together. That is, we will take the loop from this V stitch, 1 loop, and the next loop from this V stitch. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet together. So next stitch here on the top will be doing a single crochet. And next stitch, if you see, we will take in this V shape, we'll take this one, and next V shape we will take this one to join the single crochet. So we'll take this and the next V shape, first one, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Next stitch, single crochet. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you have to follow for this row by taking one side of the V shape and the next loop of the next V shape. We'll do a single crochet together and next stitch single crochet. Next stitch you'll be taking these loops and do a single crochet together, and next stitch single crochet. So you have to continue this till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. At last you will finish it off using a single crochet. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. Previous round we started with a single crochet. So for this round you are going to start with elongated single crochet. So comes 2 rows below, 1, 2, and you are going to do elongated single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Next stitch elongated single crochet. So when you insert the hook, you can see here this hook comes in between these two V shape like this. Here it comes in between the V shape to form the pattern. So we'll do this elongated single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. So next when you insert it, if you see here, it will come in this between these two V shape. And you do this elongated single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. So next stitch you have to insert here and do this elongated single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. So if you see here, it looks like this. We have to follow this till you reach this end. So next you'll be inserting here. So if you see here, you can see it inserts between the V shape. Next stitch single crochet. After doing them, it looks like this. We started with the elongated single crochet, so we'll end it with the single crochet. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the first stitch, do a single crochet in the next stitch, and next you are going to do single crochet together by taking the loops. That is, we'll take one loop from this V and the other loop from this V to do a single crochet together. So insert the hook in this loop, next loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops and do a single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. So next stitch will take one loop of one V and next loop of other V and you do a single crochet together. Next stitch single crochet. If you see, it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing single crochet together by taking 2 loops from each V shape. Next stitch single crochet. Next stitch single crochet together. Next stitch single crochet. Follow this till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Each row you should be careful that you have 20 stitches at the end of the row. For next row, chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the first stitch. So next stitch is elongated single crochet. So while you're doing this, you have to be careful that the hook goes between these V shape. So next elongated in between these two V shape. So next stitch will be a single crochet. So next stitch is an elongated single crochet. So it should go between the V shape here and do this elongated single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. So likewise you have to follow the pattern till the required size you want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. So this is the circumference of the hat. It comes around 17 inches. And the height, it comes around 7.5 inches. So next part we are going to do the rim. So we are going to do the rim in the bottom part. So we are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So we'll start from where we started this project. So insert the hook, take the yarn, pull through, chain 1, do a single crochet, the same stitch, next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet. So likewise we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach the end. So at the end of this round you will be having 80 single crochet stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Next do chain 1, turn your work. We are going to work in the back loop. So if you see a chain here, so this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So you'll be working on the back loop. You are going to do single crochet in the back loops. Next stitch single crochet in the back loop. Next stitch single crochet in the back loops. So likewise we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch by taking only the back loops till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1, turn your work. So here if you see, we'll be working on the back loop. So if you see a chain here, so this is the back loop and this is the front loop. So we'll be working on the back loops. So you are going to do single crochet by taking the back loops. So next stitch single crochet taking the back loops. Next stitch single crochet taking the back loops. It looks like this. So we'll be doing single crochet in the back loops till you reach the end, and by following the same pattern you have to do them till the required height of the brim you want. After doing them till the required height, it looks like this. Next we'll see how to make this rectangle into a beautiful hat. So we'll fold the right side facing each other and we'll join them by doing slip stitch. So it looks like this. Likewise, you're going to join both the sides till you reach this end using slip stitch. After joining them, it looks like this. Next, you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So next, we are going to join this. So we'll take this as the center part. So you're going to insert them in a zigzag way. Skip one stitch and you'll insert in the next stitch. So we will do this around till you reach here. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, you can pull them. So it forms like a hat. Next, you can close this hole. After joining the hole, it looks like this. Next, you can flip flop. Hat using honeycomb stitch looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.